it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is super exciting, y'all. I got 2 Boxycharms to review for y'all. Like, I'm super excited. I have our standard Boxycharm. That's $25 a month. Yes, I have it, and it has a value of over $100, of course. And then I have the Boxycharm Big Kahuna. This is the premium, y'all, and the premium is only $35 a month, but you get over $175 of items. So the value is always $50 over this one for just $10 more a month. So you can't beat it, especially once y'all see what's in it. I already saw what was in it, and oh my god, it will blow you away. So the link for Boxycharm to sign up is below. Definitely make sure you check them out. But we're going to compare these 2 boxes and find out which one's better. Again, this one is $25, this one is $35, and they even offer a Luxe where you get once a quarter and it's $49.99. and I've seen videos on that one, and that one is nice. So you can definitely get that one as well. And they even offer now customization, so they'll send you, starting in November, you know, little complexion packages. That way you can test to see what works best for your skin tone, so they can start adding foundations and stuff in boxes and stuff. So it's gonna be lit. Boxycharm is coming all the way up. They are leveling up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Okay, so definitely check out Boxycharm, link below. But let's get into it. Okay, this is the $25 box. So this is what you get for $25. It's all nicely packaged right here, Boxycharm. And the items in this one are all listed right here, and they have Nikita Dragon down here because they give you a discount on Nikita Dragon products if you want to take advantage of that. But so let me just show you the items. The first thing here are these lily lashes. Y'all, I heard lily lashes is bomb, so I'm so happy to finally own a pair. These go for $25, y'all. The box is $25 itself, y'all. $25 for the box. These cost $25. So the box paid for itself with one item. So yeah, I cannot wait to put these on. Like, these look so cute. Oh my goodness. So yeah, these are faux mink lashes. This is the little sample pack I was telling you about, so you can test to see what will work better for you, what shade range works best for you, because they're starting to have the option, especially with the premium, that you can choose one of your own items. So that's pretty cool. So none of these colors match me at all, like none of them. So it is what it is. But we're going to move right along. The next thing in here, this is from Boxycharm. They have a 2-piece brush set. The retail price on this is $35 for these 2 brushes. These are super cute, really soft brushes. I just think they're adorable. So these go for $35, and it's included in the box. So if you didn't even want to use these for yourself, these would make a great gift, because Boxycharm, when you have extra stuff, you can be the giver and be like, oh girl, you want this? Like, it's your birthday coming up. You can make a nice little birthday bag for people and stuff. So yeah, I got that. The next thing in here is the, I don't know how to say it, y'all, Kypress. I think that's how you say it. It looks just like this. The price on this is oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, they said the price of this is $90. That's crazy. This dude runs $90. Y'all, I'm shook. Like, I'm shook. This is $90. Oh my god. Like, I'm sorry, I'm just like, oh my god, this runs $90. So I'm gonna definitely be testing this out and let y'all know what I think of it. It's a Quench and Glow serum, and y'all know I'm all about the serums. Oh, I'm all about the serums. And this is what it looks like. Just gonna put a little bit here. No bad smell, and it's just supposed to give you a glow. Oh yeah, using it, $90. I gotta see if this about that live. I gotta know. I gotta know. So yeah, this goes for $90. Tell me you don't need the box now. And then the last item in here is from Dominique Cosmetics. This goes for $35. Again, pays for the box. And this is Celestial. We're gonna go with that. Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. There's the mirror. And then bam. Look at that, y'all. These colors are gorgeous. These colors are gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this palette. Oh my gosh. It's just super cute. Like, I cannot wait to play with this palette. Like, oh. This right here, because I'm an eyeshadow like hoarder. Like, even though I don't wear eyeshadow all the time, I hoard eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. And you do get a lippy too in the box for the $25. And this is in Charm, and it's from Dose of Colors. And it looks like this. And I just love Dose of Colors lippy, so they are everything. So that's everything that came in this month's regular Boxycharm. Y'all, whew, that Boxycharm is lit. Oh my gosh. If that's that lit, what does premium have to offer? Oh my goodness. And it's $10 more. Let me show you this box. So big. It's like you got this nice Christmas present and it comes every month. Like, hi baby. So definitely, oh my god, y'all need to check out the premium box. It's only $35. Oh yeah. Wait till I show y'all everything. You know, I already opened it, but wait till y'all see this. Get into it. So the first item right here, this is from Kapari. It's a coconut rose toner. Y'all already sprayed this. I couldn't help myself. And this goes for $25. So it looks just like this. Beautiful packaging. How cute is this packaging? How beautiful. Like, look guys. How beautiful is this packaging? $25. And it's included in the premium box. So that's a really good deal. The next thing that comes in this one, I'm going to say the best for last, is the QMS Intensive Eye Cream. I'm always on the market for new eye creams because eye creams are very important to me, especially since I do have like a little bit of wrinkling underneath here. You see them crow's feet coming in a little bit. I know you're like, girl, shut up, you young. But y'all, I'm not young. I'm older. I'm 33. I always forget my age. I'm 33. I'm about to be 34 in March. And these little crow's feet and stuff and underneath here, I'm always working on. So a good eye cream I'm always looking for. Oh, guys, they about to make me throw up. Y'all, this runs $150. Oh, I died and I came back to life. This is $150. Oh my goodness. And again, this box is only $35 for the premium. Y'all, I'm going to use this so sparingly. Oh my gosh. This, oh, it smells good too. Oh, this is expensive. This bad and bougie. This bad and bougie eye cream right here, $150. Okay, so yeah, you need the premium box. This is $150. $150. Oh my goodness. Woo! So yeah, that's the eye cream. The next thing is the Boxycharm brushes. See, in the regular one, you get 2 brushes. In this one, which is the premium, you guys get 5 brushes. So you get 5 brushes versus only 2. Why not? So this normally runs for $65 and it's included in the box as well. Oh, I cannot wait to use this one, especially the eye brushes. Oh, yes. Yes, honey. And I like the black. It's so cute. It's just, oh, it's so cute and girly and just me. And I cannot wait to use these. The next item that came in here was the Becca Glow Gloss. And this goes for $22. Yeah, $22. Looks just like this. We all seen the glow glosses before. And I think that is amazing to get in the box for $35. Okay. Now the next thing is Dragon Beauty. I've never owned anything from Nikita Dragon. This goes for, let me see, $25. And it's Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Can I not get it out? I don't know why. It sounds like a tongue twister. Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. That's how you say it, okay? It says personally formulated by the mother of dragons. Dragon Fire works well on all skin tones and helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles. Yes, because look, mama got dark circles. Discoloration, yes, because mama got hyperpigmentation, okay? And blemishes. Mama don't got that unless it's flow time, okay? Okay. Infused with light reflecting mattifying powers to brighten and blur, this formula diffuses imperfections to create a photo filtered fantasy. Girl, let me open it for you. I gotta use this like next time I put on makeup. Ooh, I didn't expect it to be orange. Okay, well, yeah, because it corrects the orangeness. You know, it corrects dark circles, so of course it needs to be orange. But this is cute. Yes, this is cute. I like the packaging and everything. So next time I do my makeup, I am going to be using this, especially for underneath my eyes, because I have the discoloration there and I have hyperpigmentation. So come through, come through, come through. Oh, come through. Oh, like, okay, this box. Okay, Boxycharm regular. I hear you. I'm hearing what you're saying. Mama hear you. But I need this one. Premium baby. And this is what makes me say premium all day every day going forward, y'all. Natasha Denona. I ain't got nothing for Natasha Denona, nothing. And this goes for $55. This is the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Packaging bomb. Look at that. Yes. Y'all, I'm sized. Y'all, look at this. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. And that blush is so perfect for my skin tone. It's gonna look so cute. After showing you guys both boxes and what both boxes have to offer, premium. If you're not getting premium, what is you doing? Like, seriously, the items are so much better in my opinion. Even though you do get this $90 serum in this one, this is a $150 eye cream. And people are spending $300 something to get Botox in their eyes. Me being one of them, because I got Botox and I spent $300 something. It was $380, I think, for Botox in my eyes. Or was it 280? I can't remember. But to get an eye cream that will really help out is definitely worth it. So yeah, after even just comparing the items, I'm trying to think, like, the best makeup item we got was this one, which is $35 in the regular Boxycharm, but the premium gave you Natasha Denona. Like, you can't compare ND with this. You can't. Like, Natasha Denona is a whole nother wave, okay? So wow, that was great. I'm trying to think, even with the brushes, this one you only got 2 in the standard Boxycharm, but for $10 more, you can get 5. You can get 5 versus 2. So I think that was a better value. Trying to see if this one had any lip items. $25 box. I mean, you do get a dose of color lippy, but in this one you get the Becca. Now, I prefer the dose of color over Becca, so I think the regular Boxycharm won with that one. With this corrector from Dragon Beauty, I'd rather have that versus the lashes. Even though I want to try these lashes, and thank God I get to try them finally, I'd rather have a corrector, especially for underneath here, because I have all these issues underneath my eyes. So I don't know, that is just my personal opinion. Yeah, so just comparing the boxes, y'all, I have to say the premium box is way better. I'll leave all the information below, that way you can sign up for Boxycharm. But y'all, premium is lit. Like, I've never been so excited about a box in my life. And I showed my coworker, she's like, oh my god, because I showed her all the stuff in the premium. So she might be upgrading the premium. Liz, you upgrading to premium? Because she watches me and her daughter. Hey, Natalie. But Liz, you gonna upgrade to premium? Okay. Okay. Send me a text message, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Check out Boxycharm. The information is below, especially premium, because premium is where you're gonna get your bang for your buck. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.